How can you not find files you have created? You are in charge of the assignment and I want those files. What do you mean you need more time to search? Aren't they on your computer? How difficult is it to keep track of files here? Why can't these guys deliver on time? Who are you?
Hey, I see you have a problem. I'm here to help. We all have thousands of files in our machines, and we also access files on other machines in the local network. It's always a challenge to find files, especially older files.
Well, yeah, it is a challenge, but you got to live with that.
No, you don't have to live with it. You can find an answer. But first, let's look at the problem. You know, most people can find some files quickly, the ones they are using daily. But the moment they have to look for older, less frequently used files, it takes time. And then there is this problem. They work on many files every day, checking, correcting, writing, forwarding, and they get even more files from colleagues and from downloads from the internet. As the number of files and many versions of files grows, the chaos increases, and it becomes difficult to track and manage them.
True.
Over the years, you accumulate a large number of files. Now, if you need to search and find one among them, you end up spending hours hunting for the right file and the right version. It all adds up to many weeks of wasted time every year.
All right, you have my attention there. Now, how do we solve this?
There is a simple solution. It's called Organize Enterprise. It's a comprehensive file management system that helps you manage and retrieve, share, backup and synchronize files in your machine, in the local network, and in the cloud. It can help you and your colleagues manage documents more efficiently and improve productivity. Let's look at one of the problems you face. Now, you cannot find the files you need. You spend time searching for them and eventually end up recreating them or downloading them all over again. That's a lot of time wasted. Collaboration also ends up creating multiple versions of the file with different names created by each member, causing confusion while searching for the correct version.
That's true. It does happen. A lot.
The Organize Enterprise Edition helps you find files, share files, collaborate on files, and organize them all through one system. It labels your files automatically and also lets you label them manually. And that helps you retrieve files quickly, no matter where they're stored in different drives and folders in your machine or in other machines on the LAN. Even new recruits can use Organize to find files instead of hunting for them in unfamiliar territory or going around asking colleagues and wasting their time. Attach labels, comments, and bookmarks without even opening the application. Do it in Windows or in MS Office, in a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file, or in MS Outlook.
Wow, this is certainly useful. But tell me, can Organize help when I'm dealing with an external party?
Absolutely, it does. With Organize, you can collaborate securely with people outside your organization, send them files, and get files from them, having conversations with them along with others in your organization.
What else?
Organize handles your housekeeping for you by identifying duplicate files, even when they have different file names, so you can weed out unwanted stuff. The Organize Enterprise Edition is a desktop software for Windows, which also has an online browser-based application that can be used on the cloud. It ensures a secure work environment along with seamless and automatic synchronization of files from offline to online and back, providing greater security in the event of disasters of any kind. It also allows you to take automatic backups to external drives, which you can store safely in a different location. Yes, and by the way, we have a US patent for Organize, which reflects the uniqueness and power of the software.
Hey, this is great. How do I get Organized?
Click on the link to go to the site and buy Organize now.